What is up, you guys? I just woke up. I honestly feel like crap because of the weather and stuff. But anyways, so I've been doing like this makeup look a lot lately, and I feel like people have been asking me for it. Although I've done a similar, really like almost the exact same look on my YouTube before, I'm gonna do this one. I've been like referring people to like that video, but I just wanted to give you guys this one in case you're like, this isn't the same look. Even though it is, it's just that like this one that I've been doing lately is just like, I'm just using black instead of brown. So I'll make this tutorial instead. I have my makeup drawer with me. I already moisturized with my CeraVe moisturizer. And then next I'm going to do all the priming to my face that I need to do. So going in with my JUNO & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. I'm not going anywhere, but might as well just go out for the whole look, right? Prime my eyes because I do end up putting like a little bit of eyeshadow on for this makeup look. And I went in with the Urban Decay original eyeshadow primer. Next, I'm going to do my brows. So just a spoolie and my Got2b glue. All right, my brows are nice and pushed up. I don't, honestly, they look kind of really full. I was gonna fill them in. I mean, there is some spots, but I'm gonna fill them in just a little bit with this ColourPop. I don't know what color this is. I honestly just grabbed one. It's brunette. Just a little bit. The only areas I'm seeing is like a little right there, and then on this side as well, right there. So just those areas that need some extra love. I'm just gonna make sure there's no like product. I don't really fill them in a lot. I just kind of helped them find their color. But just a little. I don't feel like there's that much of a difference. Okay, and moving on to the eyes now. So this is kind of like weird how I do it, but this is how I do it, so it is what it is. First, for some reason I feel like the brown one is easier to work with than the black liner, liquid liner, so I always go in with this first. So I go in with this and I start to like make the like the line out for when I put the eyeshadow like liner on. So I start from like the top always and then drag it out. Okay, I promise it's not normally this messy, but I'm doing it the hardest way possible. And also I'm shaking because I haven't eaten and I've only had coffee. which is like a really bad habit of mine. Okay, like that's fine. I literally just need like some sort of like guideline. Take a palette that has a black eyeshadow. I'm just going in with the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills one. And some sort of like angled brush. Dip it in the black. And then I just start like creating a liner with the eyeshadow. Start dragging it out. And then also like going upwards so that it's like a faded into like black. Oh, okay, besides the mess up, that line looks so good. Okay, and then I don't know why I didn't do this before, but normally I take this and I go like all the way around like my eye like that. This is really hard to do on camera. Just like that, and then I take it and I fill it in. Like that. And then I'll start to create the little, I don't know what it's called, but the little like foxy eye like thing. Just like that. And I don't know, personally just using the eyeliner, it just helps me, like it just like guides me better. I can do it without it, but one day I just started doing that, and yeah. So just go back in and perfect this how you want it to be. Personally, with the eyeshadow, I like when it's just like a straight like line. I feel like that's what gives it like the most like depth. Okay, and then I also take this and go in my inner corner to soften the liner and to match it up with the rest of my makeup. I have to fix all of this, obviously. And instead of doing a Q-tip, because I feel like the Q-tip kind of like messes up the sharpness of the liner, I like to use a makeup wipe. I use the Simple ones. Anything from Simple is just really, I like their products because I have sensitive skin, so I like these makeup wipes. And I just take it, I put my pointer finger, and it's also nice to like clean up under here because there will be like black fallout, and like go like that. Just like that. I'm gonna go do this eye and then I'll come back and do the lashes and stuff. Now that they are both done, I'm gonna go in with the lashes that I've been using, which are these ones, Pompadour from Kiss. Kiss is like my favorite brand to get lashes from. I love these ones. They give like a very like personally for me, like a natural dramatic look, which I like. Okay, But first I'm going in with my mascara, the Scandal Eyes Rimmel London. And then I cut the ends of them. I normally cut off like 3 to fit the size of my eye. Now taking my Kiss Lash Glue. And because I put my lashes on underneath my real lashes, I'm gonna put the glue on the top instead of like on like the band, if that makes sense. Like it's still going on the band, but it's going on the lashes as well. I don't remember how I got started with putting my lashes underneath, but I like it so much better because I feel like it looks more natural. Like when you look down, you can't see like an eyelash band. I don't know. I feel like it just feels and it looks more natural. And yeah, because I remember when I first started doing it, people were like, oh my god, look at your lashes. I'm like, no, they're just hidden. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the basics of it, putting it on, but I have to do it off camera, which I feel like I've explained that many times, but I can't do it on camera. So I just lift my eye up and I put it right there. Oh, wait, I just did it on camera, hold on. Okay, JK, I gotta go do it off camera. Alright, so I put both lashes on. I don't know why this one looks more lifted than that. Okay, whatever. To the liner. This is the NYX Professional Black Liner. And I just line the top of my waterline, all of it, and then all of the bottom of my waterline. So lift this up. I have like a problem with this eye watering. This eye always waters. This one doesn't. Let me make sure it like touches this liner right here. Just like that. Oh, there's just something about a black dark eye that just does something for brown eyes. I don't know. I love it, and if you know, you know. The girls that get it, get it. Now what I do is I curl my lashes just a little bit. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. I'm not pressing down super hard. I'm just pressing lightly just to get my lashes to curl a little bit, and they're fine. So my lashes have never been at harm when using my lash curler. I'll go in with my mascara and put mascara on my falsies. And it's gonna touch the top of my eye, but it's okay because it'll come off. I really like to get those ends. and just shake them out and make them look so not uniform. Because you know how like when lashes, like you take lashes out of the pack, they look so like uniform, like just like together, like they just look perfect, and I'm like, no, I want my lashes to look perfect, but like in a different kind of perfect. I can tell the difference. I don't know. This is hard. I'm gonna clean up this mascara. Since my face is already primed, I'm going in with the Pretty Vulgar blush palette, dipping it in this one and in this darky like bronze. So I like to have like the bronze and the blush together. I don't know, I just feel like it does something for me. I love when I put my blush on, because then that's when I start to feel like everything comes together. Like I could look at a makeup look, I could do a makeup look and I could be like, no, this looks bad. And then I could put my blush on and I'm like, it's coming together. Like there's just something about blush. That's like one of my favorite things. Blush and mascara and no, blush and mascara. That's like my two favorite things about like makeup. And like for the longest time I was never into blush, and then I don't know, at some point I just fell in love with it. I don't know. Is it enough blush? We'll never know. It's never enough blush, right? That's what we say. It's never enough blush. Okay, Kylie Cosmetics highlighter. I wish that I could find these products for you guys, but I mean, she has these colors. I just go in with like this gold one and then this like champagne color one. So she has these colors. It's just she doesn't have this palette anymore. You know, you get what I'm saying? I was on TikTok and someone was like, oh, so we're not wearing highlighter anymore? Like we just don't do highlighter anymore? First of all, do what you want. If you want to wear highlighter, wear highlighter. If you don't want to wear highlighter, great. But let the rest of us that like to wear highlighter still wear highlighter. Just because someone else is doing something or not doing something doesn't mean you have to follow in their footsteps. Do what makes you happy. A little motivational speech from Ashley. And this is the look. It's nothing like extravagant. I think it's the fact that it's like black all the way around that gives it like that very like chic, like clean look. I love it. It's like become one of my favorite looks. I love it and you guys are loving it, so here it is. I hope all of that helped. Thank you guys so much for watching.